The yellow jacket case is a phone case that has been designed to turn an iPhone into a stun gun. The case is available for iPhones and it is slimmer and less bulky than before. The stun gun is able to fire multiple charges at 6 to 7 times more than the defensive standard for non-lethal conductive energy weapons. It also doubles as a phone charger, meaning you can charge your phone while retaining enough power to use the stun gun. The case is available in midnight black, urgent red, desert tan, and cool teal, but it is uncertain if it is legal in some countries, so customers should check before placing an order. It costs around $159 and it is made of a hard, durable plastic to protect the phone from damage. The case is built for tough conditions as it is weatherproof and repels water, enabling the stun gun to deploy in a multitude of conditions. The stun gun portion is detachable so the user can adapt to any environment, and the case sells for $100. Pepper spray is an incredibly effective tool for self-defense. One of the strongest pepper spray gadgets I've seen is called AccuFire. This gadget is not only incredibly effective, but it also has a built-in laser sight that makes it easy to aim at your target in low light conditions. One thing I appreciate about this pepper spray is the belt clip, which makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go. It's also lightweight and easy to handle, so you'll be able to use it quickly and easily in case of an emergency. The AccuFire is also made from high-quality materials. It sprays an invisible UV dye that can help you identify attackers, and it can spray up to 16 feet, making it a great option for anyone looking for a powerful and reliable self-defense weapon. The canister is also small enough to be carried on your keychain, so you can have it with you at all times. So, if you're looking for a powerful and reliable self-defense gadget that's easy to use and carry with you wherever you go, then the AccuFire for $12 is definitely worth checking out. Wonder Hoodie is a seemingly normal hoodie, with one incredible feature. Although the hoodie is thin and light like a normal jacket, it is functionally bulletproof even from shots at head level. The classic hoodie look was combined with police-grade protection to make this hoodie an incredible safety item. One of the most significant changes in the newest Wonder Hoodie is the use of UHMWPE, a material that's up to 30 times stronger than Kevlar, but similar in price. Another major change in Wonder Hoodie is the removable head protection. Panels can be inserted to discreetly protect the back and sides of your head when you need it, and removed if you prefer the lightweight feel. This feature provides an extra layer of protection that you won't find in any other hoodie. The hoodie offers full military-style torso protection without Tetris panels to insert, like low-end competitors. And adjustable Velcro straps along shoulders and sides of torso for a true no-bulk, slim fit. Wonder Hoodie is made in the USA and starts at $425. The QuickVent is a hidden safe that is designed to hide and secure your self-defense weapons, money, jewelry, and more. It is disguised to look like a regular air vent. As a result, it blends in on any wall and can be accessed in seconds by simply touching the RFID key to the sensor. There are no numbers to memorize or buttons to push, so it is perfect for keeping items readily available for home security while safely secured from view. The QuickVent is made in the USA and is easy to install. Each QuickSafe RFID lock can support up to 12 unique RFID keys. The safe comes with 4 keys pre-programmed, and if you lose the keys programmed to your safe, the safe memory can be erased and reprogrammed to only accept the cards that you currently have. Consider this gadget if you live with other people or pets that would be in danger if you left other self-defense gadgets or weapons out in the open. It costs $250. The WATTOZZ remote-controlled wireless energy weapon is a non-lethal law enforcement weapon that is designed to incapacitate an offender from a safe distance without causing death or permanent injury. It is unique and includes advanced technology in comparison to other weapons in the market. The design of the WATTOZZ combines simplicity, reliability, effectiveness, and safety. It eliminates the spread caused by the flimsy wires connected to the weapon that are used by other tasers. This weapon is also safer than other weapons because it has 3 different electroshock levels that can be adjusted to apply an appropriate amount of force, and it can be controlled remotely by an RF system. The WATTOZZ weapon has other features such as the ability to shoot 2 shots back-to-back, a built-in HD camera with anti-vibration system, a high trigger sensitivity, a non-gunpowder and gas-less firing system, a silent firing system, and a built-in target laser. What would you do if guns were no longer sold in stores? If you have a 3D printer, this problem would not be able to impact you any longer. 3D printed firearms are weapons produced with a 3D printer, which can be classified as plastic or metal. While plastic guns are usually used as improvised firearms that evade gun control, 3D printed metal guns are more commonly thought as a way for legitimate gun manufacturers to exceed traditional design limitations. 3D printed gun designs can be much more intricate and personalized when compared to mass-produced traditional guns. There are many decentralized 3D printed firearm communities where you can find schematics to use with your own 3D printer. The legal status of 3D printed firearms varies by country, with some countries like the United States having laws that acknowledge the right to publish instructions for the production of 3D printed firearms, while other countries like Australia and Canada have banned the production and possession of 3D printed firearms. However, since this new technique raises questions about the potential dangers of unqualified individuals obtaining or manufacturing 3D printed guns, these laws are subject to change, so you should stay up to date with the latest regulations if this form of self-defense interests you. Bomber & Company is introducing the B2 Dog Tag, a fully concealed nano-blade pocket knife. The knife features a sharp flat ground straight edge that is perfect for precision slicing, and the blade is perforated to prevent materials from sticking to it. The knife is small and can easily be hidden in a coin pocket, wallet, or worn around the neck as a standard dog tag. The B2 Dog Tag is made from 440C black stainless steel, which is extremely durable and corrosion resistant. It also features a custom-designed double-sided butterfly lock for safety, which makes the knife design more robust than traditional smaller blades. The B2 Dog Tag has been durability tested, and is engineered to have zero wiggle room once the blade is locked in place. The knife is backed by a lifetime warranty, and for $85, it is an effective tool that can be concealed to use in self-defense scenarios. The 1242 concealment shelf is a wall-mounted concealment solution that is designed to secure rifles up to 42 inches in length. It has a foam-lined secret compartment that is 12 inches deep and large enough to store useful weapons for self-defense such as shotguns. The installation is easy, as it is similar to hanging any common shelf. To access the secret compartment, one can simply disengage the hidden locks with the supplied keys at the two locations on the shelf top. The bottom half of the shelf lowers smoothly with the assistance of a pneumatic strut. Optional LED lights that illuminate using a motion sensor can be added. The foam-lined compartment can be customized to fit your needs by cutting the required shapes out of the foam. The shelf is manufactured in the United States using birch plywood as well as other solid hardwoods, and is designed for use with standard 2x4 stud framing. The shelf is $540. If you want to see more concealed weapon options in a future video, please let me know in the comments. The IP-1 is a smart gun developed by the German company Armatix. It is a magazine-fed, semi-automatic pistol that uses .22 long rifle rimfire cartridges. The gun is marketed as a James Bond-style handgun that can only be fired by an authorized user. It features an electronic magazine disconnect, a color-coded safety, and integrated grip. The IP-1 handgun and the W1 active RFID watch form a smart system in which both parts communicate through radio frequency identification. In order for the handgun to function, the matching watch must be within 10 inches of it. The watch indicates, among other data, the charge level of the watch and the handgun and the number of shots fired within a given time frame. The watch can also deactivate the firearm by means of a time control feature. However, the gun comes with a steep price tag of nearly $2,000. Thank you Tiffany L for suggesting the topic for this video. If you'd like to be featured in the next video, subscribe then comment below with what you'd like to see next on Tech Unfolds. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed.